How to send pictures from iPhone to Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So nowadays, it's really simple to send pictures from iPhone to Android with messaging apps like WhatsApp and Viber. I personally recommend WhatsApp because you can send HD quality photos from Viber. So you just have to go to the plus icon on the bottom left and then tap on photos and then just click on the photos that you want to send and hit the green arrow option which sends the photo. However, if you want to send large files, then sending photos in WhatsApp may take a long time. So what you can do is use your Google Drive. So go to your Google Drive, then tap on the plus icon on the bottom right, and once you've done that, tap on create new folder and then name the folder and tap on create. Then go ahead and open the folder and there tap on the plus sign again and tap on upload file, tap on photos and videos and then choose the photos and videos that you want to upload and then tap on the top right of the upload option. So once all the photos and videos have been uploaded, tap on the three dots on the top right and then there tap on share. Now you can either choose to mail the photos and put in the email address of the person, or what you can do is come back and then tap on the three dots again and tap on copy link, and once you've copied the link you can go to any messaging app and then go to the conversation and paste the link, and that's it. Your friend will be able to open the link and see the photos that you have uploaded, and they can even download it to their phone. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.